So today I want to look at the British pound. On Thursday, they increased their interest rates by half a point to 4%. So let's analyze the British pound currency. This is a monthly chart, and we want to draw kind of like field goals or end zones, rather. So price came down and couldn't go down any further. It started rising, so we're just going to mark this off. And what I like to do is call that monthly buyers, and we're going to say 1.0770. 1.0770. Alright, so in September of last year, prices came down, hit 1.05, and then rallied. And on the top side, we're going to say price came down, paused, and then shot down. Right? This indicates sellers. So we're going to mark that as monthly sellers at 1.3550. Alright, so if you look at the monthly chart, trend is down, right? You have pivot high, pivot low, pivot high, pivot low, pivot high, pivot low. Alright, so the trend is down. And this is verified by the weekly chart. However, we have on the short term trend, we have price making high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. So on the weekly chart, price is moving higher. It could move up to here to make a lower low. Don't know. So for now, we're going to say the short-term trend is up, but the macro bigger trend is down. So if the trend is up for now, and this is where the monthly sellers are, we want to look to take it long up to this zone up here. So let's look for some entry points. And this is the daily chart. What would be a good entry? So what we're looking for is these green candles, which signifies volume. Maybe some basing, and then another explosive move higher. And I don't see a very good entry point. Let's see on the top side, maybe to select the target. I like this area here as a target. You got a drop, base and a drop, retest, drop. So we're going to pick that as a as a target. Again, current price is at 1.2218. We need to get above here at the 1.2453. Once price gets here, there's nothing really stopping price from moving higher. So we're going to mark that green to signify a racetrack to the upside. Let's go down to the 4-hour chart. Maybe we can find a entry. So on the 4-hour chart, it looks like price is rounding to go lower. Yeah, I don't see any entries. Okay, so let's go back to see if the 8-hour chart. Alright, this might be an area of the 1.2100 based on volume. Let's go down, let's mark this here. Nothing there. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Alright. So this is the 1-hour chart. With an explosive move higher, basing, and then a continuation to the upside. So, not the best zone. But there's indication that there are buyers here based on this wick here. So I'm going to mark that as hourly buyers. We'll say at the 1.2065. Not in love with the zone, but we're going to see if price can get down here. Now if I go back to the daily chart, what we're saying is, again, the short-term trend is up, but price doesn't shoot up in a straight line. It really retraces at times, and that's what we might have taken place now, a retracement. So potentially what we have is price is going to pull back. To resume the uptrend. So we're going to keep tabs on the British pound. Again, potentially we can look to go long near the 1.21. Because the weekly chart is telling us that we're in an uptrend. And if we can get long somewhere, we're looking to take that to the 1.338. So I'll keep tabs on this one. Until next time.